Do you feel nervous or afraid to speak English? Have you ever thought I can do it? Do you improve your speaking English? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new video. It's me, Mosharaf, a student of Kumilla University, and I am also from Kumilla. Today, I am truly excited and honored to be here in front of you right now. In this video, I want to inspire you to start learning English, not tomorrow, but today. If you are a beginner or if you are struggling with confidence, then this video is for you. Let's grow together and make English a powerful tool in your life. Now, I am gonna share a personal story, something very real from my own life. I used to struggle a lot with English too. I couldn't even speak a full sentence without hesitation or fear. But one thing is that I didn't give up. I started shortly, just one sentence a day. Sometimes I spoke to myself, and little by little I started gaining confidence. Whenever I kept practicing, whenever I went, I kept practicing whenever I got time, at the railway station, at the bus stop, at my own home, or even in front of the mirror. The question is, why is English important? English is important because English is not just a language. It's a global skill. It's a life-changing skill. It opens the door to better jobs, scholarships, higher education, and global communication. You can learn from the internet, talk to people from different countries, or even you build a career. Just know you know English. Some common thinking is that you may think I am too old to learn. But remember that learning has no age limit. You are never too old to start learning English. You may think I don't have time, but I can suggest you need 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's enough to begin. You may think I don't have an English environment. I can suggest you create your own environment and listen English videos and listen English podcast and talk to people, or even you may speak in front of the mirror. The motivation is that you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Don't wait for the perfect day or the perfect method. The best time to begin was yesterday, and the second best time is now. Imagine yourself after 6 months speaking English clearly and confidently. That version of you is possible, and it starts with today's report. Lastly, I want to say, if I can do it, why you can't? Just imagine yourself and kept practicing. Try to listen English podcast regularly. Try to read loudly and try to speak regularly. Then you will be able to speak English fluently. Let's grow together. Let's speak English with confidence. That's it for today. See you in the next video.